I often hear new jumpers ask, how long should I jump rope? So in this video, I'm going to share with you my recommendations, and I'm going to give you two workouts that are great for getting you started. Let's do this. You have two choices. Either one is fine, and in fact, I would actually start with one, and then once you're feeling ready, move into the other one. Let's go over the two options. Option one. This is a great option, especially for people that are brand new to jump rope, or if you just haven't done it forever and you're looking to get in it and build the proper foundation. Set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes and just practice jumping. No, you don't have to jump for the entire time. In fact, all you're going to be doing is just practicing, have fun with it, and rest as needed. This takes away the whole structure of thinking about how you're going to do a workout and just allows you to focus on what's important, and that's developing good form and technique. That is hugely important with jump rope because it's going to help you progress faster down the line. The purpose of the timer is to limit your amount of practice. This is because when you're first starting out and you're starting to make headway with new personal bests and consecutive jumps, you get excited. At least I did. And it becomes addicting. So all of a sudden you look up, it's been 30 minutes, an hour of practice. And when you're brand new, overuse injuries can settle in, such as shin splints, foot pain, or ankle pain. And I want you to be able to avoid this. So by setting a timer, it limits you to that specific time just as you're starting out, and then you're going to be able to gradually increase that as you go. Start out with 2 to 3 practice sessions per week at the 10 to 15 minute range. Evaluate how that's going for you, and then you can gradually increase from there. That brings us to option 2. Once you're comfortable with your form and technique, now you can start throwing in some workouts. Personally, I enjoy Tabatas and circuit workouts because they're easy to change the length to meet your personal level. Here are 2 workout options that you can try out. I also have a blog post linked below where you can download each of these workouts for easy access.